கிருபையும் இரக்கமும் அன்பும் கொண்டீரே. ஆயிரம் ஆயிரம் நன்மைகள் அனுதினம் என்னை சூழ்ந்திட கிருபையும் இரக்கமும் அன்பும் கொண்டீரே. கிருபையும் இரக்கமும் அன்பும் கொண்டீரே. ஆயிரம் ஆயிரம் நன்மைகள் அனுதினம் என்னை சூழ்ந்திட கிருபையும் இரக்கமும் அன்பும் கொண்டீரே.
story written in ancient words, a truth woven into the fabric of time. A stone, overlooked, dismissed, and rejected by the builders, finds its place in history. Deemed unworthy, it was cast away. But what is cast away by man is never unseen by the Creator. The cornerstone, the first stone laid, the foundation upon which everything depends. It is chosen with care, for it must bear the weight of the entire structure. And so, the stone the builders rejected became the cornerstone. The Lord has done this, and it is marvelous in our eyes. We too have felt the sting of rejection. Cast aside by others, we wonder if we have a place, a purpose. Yet, It is in those moments of despair that the Lord's hand moves mightily. What the world deems unworthy, God redeems. What the world casts off, God elevates. Today is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. For his plans are greater, his vision eternal, and his love unending. The stone the builders rejected has become the cornerstone, and it is marvelous indeed.